Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Starting at the front, the Atlas immediately gives off a clean and premium look. The design feels modern, but still practical enough for a real camper van. From this angle, you can really see the balance between the front end and the long camper van body. It looks sleek without trying too hard. Moving along the side, the long body gives the Atlas its real camper van identity. The proportions are clean and practical, with a very premium road presence. The front lighting gives the van a much more modern personality. It is one of those small details that completely changes the look of the front end. The side profile is kept fairly clean, and that actually works in its favor. There are no unnecessary design elements fighting for attention. Even the side details are designed with practicality in mind. The mirror setup keeps the van looking clean while still fitting the purpose of a larger camper. Even the side details are designed with practicality in mind. The mirror setup keeps the van looking clean while still fitting the purpose of a larger camper.
Down here, the wheels add a more confident stance to the van. And for a camper, the tire setup is an important part of how the vehicle feels on the road.
At the rear, the design stays simple and functional. It does not look overly complicated, which is exactly what I like on a camper van. This rear three-quarter angle really shows how much space the body has been designed to use. It looks compact, but the long shape gives it a much more capable feel. Overall, the Atlas keeps its exterior design clean, premium, and surprisingly practical. But the real question is how well this compact camper van uses its interior space. The lower front section keeps the design clean and purposeful. It gives the Atlas a more solid and confident appearance from the front. The front corner is where the design really starts to flow into the side profile. Everything looks smooth and well integrated. The body panels look smooth and well finished. There is a simple, clean design language running across the entire side of the van.
The large side glass adds a more open feel to the van and also gives the exterior a much more premium look.
The wheel arches give the van a stronger stance, and they help make the body look more planted on the road. The roofline is kept fairly clean, which is important on a compact camper van. It keeps the overall shape practical without making the van look bulky. The rear lighting adds a modern touch without making the back of the van look overly complicated. The rear body design is simple, clean, and easy to understand. It feels more focused on function than unnecessary styling.
From this low angle, the Atlas looks noticeably more confident. The long body and strong stance give it a surprisingly premium road presence.
Now let's take a look at the driver's area. The cockpit is compact, clean, and designed around the essentials you actually need on the road. From the driver's seat, everything feels easy to reach. The layout is straightforward, which is exactly what I want in a camper van. The steering wheel has a premium feel, but the design still looks practical and familiar rather than overly futuristic. Right in front of the driver, the digital display keeps the important information easy to see without making the cockpit feel cluttered. The center display gives the cockpit a more modern feel, while the rest of the dashboard stays simple and easy to understand. What I like here is the layout. The dashboard does not try to do too much, and that makes the whole cockpit feel more comfortable. The controls are kept within easy reach, which is important when you're driving a vehicle this size. For a compact camper van, the driver's area feels nicely organized. You get a clear driving position without wasting space. The materials are where the premium feeling really comes through. It feels more refined than what you usually expect from a compact camper van. Overall, the cockpit is simple, comfortable, and well organized. But the real test for this camper van is how much living space is packed behind these front seats. Now we're inside the Atlas, and this is where the compact size really becomes interesting. Everything has been designed to use the available space carefully. The lounge area is compact, but it gives two people a proper place to sit and relax without taking over the entire van. You also get a small dining setup for two, and honestly, that's exactly the right size for a camper van like this. The kitchen is kept very simple. You get the essentials without turning this narrow camper van into a full-size motorhome. The sink is compact but practical, and the countertop gives you just enough working space for basic camper cooking. You get a 2-burner cooktop for simple meals, while the compact fridge is neatly placed below the kitchen area to save space. The overhead storage is a smart use of the space. In a van this narrow, every cabinet has to serve a purpose. And yes, there is a compact wet bath. It is small, but it gives you the basic bathroom facilities without taking up half the van. At the rear, you get a single sleeping area. It's not trying to be a hotel bedroom, but for one person, it looks practical and comfortable. Overall, the interior is compact, practical, and surprisingly well organized. It gives you the essentials without pretending to be something this small van simply isn't. After looking at the exterior and interior, this camper van definitely brings a very interesting mix of compact size, premium design, and practical living space. So what do you think about this compact camper van? Would you actually spend a weekend traveling in something like this? If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more realistic camper van and future motorhome reviews, subscribe to Rolling Wheels and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video.